land I don't use at the side of the house. So we're thinking about maybe, I think we'll make another house on it and just basically demolish this wall, take this wall down, and then this side could be the kitchen, and maybe over there we can make a driveway and a garage, and then just build a wall down here and go over that direction, and then take the wall along here, along this way, just put the wall here. So a good sized plot. She's wanting a new house, but I didn't want to spend 4 million buying a new house in Udantani, so I'm trying to get away with no spending that money. So I'm thinking here maybe a 2-storey, 3-bedroom kitchen and one kitchen inside, one out, 2 shower suites, and that'll do me fine. And then over there where the blue tank is in the electric pole, put a gate in, block that gate up, or maybe it could stay there. Just add another gate to bring the car in. But I think more beside the blue tank, maybe down here, put the garage down here. Enough parking for 2 cars. But it's a good size plot. Just knock everything all down and then lay it out. Then start building it. Okay. But the main thing is it's free. It's free for the land. We don't have to buy it. It's ours. So just ask the architect to draw a drawing for it and tell the government office that we're going to build a house, and then we can just do it. Got electric, we've got water, we've got drainage. So okay, back to the drawing board.